Hey Cuckoo. First this time. Hi Nigel. Yeah, I'm just looking at my Twitch dashboard. Ooh, what's this plushie? What's this plushie? Is it Kotlin or is it, wait, no. It's JetBrains something. Oh, it's been so long. I'm sorry. I couldn't stream for the whole 20 hours. Oh, actually, okay, it's been longer. It's been 21 hours since the start, approximately. Yeah, VIP's there. The VIP sign. You can catch a VIP sign. You might become VIP, who knows? Who knows? Maybe the VIPs are actually people who have a VIP sign in their plushie team. Yeah, and Cody. Protein plushes. Yeah, Cuckoo, you need to beat Nigel. Just two more plushes and you're gonna challenge Nigel's first place. And yeah, you have VIP already. Well, yeah, tough luck. Maybe you need two. Maybe you need two and you're gonna become a VIP. Who knows? I never specified the amount. Maybe you need 3 or 4 or 1,000. I just need to move the microphone. So yeah, I just yesterday I gave Jack the VIP because he's been here for a while, so he deserves it. What Cody? You have little time. Let's start. Oh yeah, right. No. You can have it. Wait. That's not how you spell it. Cody. Like that? Yay. Here. Fire Godot. Excuse me. If you fire Godot, who's gonna be running the overlay? Oh, what was the sound? So yeah, I really want to rewrite the overlay. I really want to rewrite it, but I don't know which language to use and what frameworks. And like, I'm partially on the side that Godot. Well, you Godot could be. Why not use Go? I don't like Go. I have barely wrote any Go. Like, to learn Go, I wrote a Twitch IRC client, just like for fun. It's tiny IRC client. Just to see what the language is about, because people were... so many people were using it, and I was just, like, I tried every single language except it. So I decided to try it. I mean, yeah, sure, many people like it. Dependency management, not my favorite. And overall, compiled language with garbage collection, like why? And yeah, Go routines not gonna be of any use for me here. I'm thinking either Rust, because Rust has a library that allows you to catch YouTube chat, or Zig or C3 or C itself, or just keep Godot. But then, like, I don't want to keep Godot because Godot has issues. But then I'll have to write my own solid body physics again. But I know I will. Like, yeah, I will. Like, I have an idea on how to implement it. Story time. What? This has been my favorite programming language, specifically to write games in. That's a hard question. No, I'd force 1 in 1 million doesn't work, or what is this? This is 100,000. So yeah, I know. By the way, we will play Minecraft soon, I think. Not this stream. unless you decide on. So yeah, anyway, I wrote, as you can probably tell. Well, I mean, maybe you can't follow me. Pull this up. Each.io. So, let's take a little overview. Java, C++ with one encoder code, Pixel Game Engine, and Kid Plushie. That folks like mascot of Firefox, huh? At Nigel. At Nigel. Okay, that's not a question to me. Okay, great. So yeah, that was written in C++ with my graphics library, which, like, oh my god, those were my golden days, and this especially, one of my best games at this point. Like, still, I would probably order it. So this is the best. This is the second best currently. And Boolean is also like third best, probably. Oh, this one, 3 lapses actually is also pretty good. Pretty nice. So anyway, so C++ with my library, C++ with my library, C++ with my library. I think, although I don't know here. In browser, this has a Linux build and a Windows build, which certainly I could have done this with my library. Meetkit. So this is, I'm pretty sure that's my first Rust one. I'm pretty sure that's Rust with Raylib. And you can tell by the font. I mean, I can just take a look at source code. But if this is Rust with Raylib, then this is probably Rust as well. Code license. There must be a link to source code somewhere. Ain't no way I left it without one. Links, Twitter. Wait, what? Yeah, I gave up on my Twitter. Imagine someone registers an account with this name now. So yeah, here is the source code. This is Rust. This is Rust and what? Rust and Raylib. Yeah, so I decided to try Raylib here even. This has to be C++, right? Rust plus Lua. Yeah, well, we're not talking about that. Which one is this actually, Rust plus Lua? Not this one. Not this one. But I do have one, I'm pretty sure. Or do I? Wait. You found a switch of Kit. Some guy on Reddit made it. Yeah, switches are great. Except that sometimes they don't work, but like... Yeah. Anyway, so this one is C++ with my library. Oh my god, my meal system. Yeah, anyway, so that means Java, C++, one encoders library, C++, no, stop, C++, last one, my library, my graphics library, Rust and Raylib, I think, Rust and Speedy2D, I think, that's when I was doing my overlay, and like a custom language, right? Which I kinda am proud of this language. OTRT was written in Zig and Raylib. This was Godot. This was Rust and Python and Raylib, I think. Was this Raylib? Custom scripting. Instructions for coders and modders. Nobody's gonna do that. Watch frame click. Ah. Oh. Wow. So yeah, right. Rust, Python, and JavaScript that's for web build are Raylib, right? No, Speedy2D. This is Speedy2D. Okay. Next we have this. This is both of those are Rust, aren't they? I actually do really like this game. The art is great, and like that's my art. And where did the music go? Okay, so this is oh, Lua. Oh wait, right. This is Love2D. This one's Love2D, and this one is the Ghost Trail. Yeah, I remember. Link source code. This is wait. This is C. Oh, this is C. Yeah. 200 times wipes. Hi, Leon. First time chatter. So this is C. What is this? This is C and Raylib. Yeah. So. I think that 2000. Well, I don't know. So yeah. Apart from that, I also did games for Arduino, which was probably my favorite part. But like, yeah, that's probably not what you're asking for. Yes, that's it. But I want to first of all give Zig another try. Second of all, try C3, and yeah, I wish I could try Jai, but like, no. No access to that. And so yeah, I have also tried Unity, but like I was really young, but I did like it somewhat. I haven't my vector library, my C++ single header vector library is inspired by Unity APIs somewhat. So yeah. So Rust has a place there definitely because it has so many libraries, but I don't like Bevy, hot take, and I don't like Rust overall when you're writing a game, because like games need interconnection and stuff. So C might be beating it. Zig also, but Zig is like so verbose. The only thing I remember about Zig now is just that it was so verbose, so insanely verbose. Like all the casts, all the things. It's actually kind of hard to type because like you type a number and then you want to wrap it in a function call, in an intrinsic call, and like yo, that's hard to do. But maybe that changed, or maybe you just need to have experience. But Zig does kind of force you to write good code, and well, yeah. Lua and Love2D. I mean, that was pretty nice. I would not be writing a game in Lua, or a big game in Lua though, because Lua doesn't have. Well, I don't feel like Lua has enough of organization, as in modules and stuff. Maybe Lua U has more, but again, like I would like a compiled language. So yeah, I guess that's my vague opinion. And what is that? Did I just place C on the top? C++ is great, I'd say. This was my era when I was like best at it. This is C. This is just C. So yeah, C is pretty nice, but like having namespaces and classes and like things like that, operator overloading, like yo, operator overloading is actually kind of a must-have, but at the same time, not that much. But yeah, it's nice, so might just choose C++ over C. But then like, yeah, C++, like bro, why? The only language that doesn't have a built-in Boolean type. Wait. Was Garbage Collector written in Java? No, my first two games were written in Java. And oh my god, I enjoyed Java programming, although... Yeah, I know. Running Java on the web, well, I didn't have any experience with that. People say it's easy. I don't know. Much of a fan. But Java is easily moddable on the other hand, so Java might also be like here on top, but probably not my personal choice anymore. So yeah, currently there is nothing that really like beats C. So I'm gonna say first place is just unoccupied. So this would be a language like C, but with operator overloading, and like something more convenient as well. Maybe library management built-in or something. So Zig and C3 could claim this place, although I'm pretty sure Zig doesn't have operator overloading, and C3 might not have it either. So yeah, first place would be open. Second place would be Zig, and second place would be C. And I guess I can pair C and Zig because Zig is like, it's just better, but it's over both. It balances it out. And Rust is also there because Rust is different. Rust has a problem in a different way. It's a beautiful language. It has a beautiful dependency system, so cargo, and it's easy to do. It's easy to work. It has great libraries, although I am not a fan of ECS. But its compiler, so borrowing guidelines, that's not for games. I know. Like, it's just so annoying for game dev, I guess. Although I have never written multiplayer games, so for that, all my choices might turn over. And Godot, I guess I would also give it second place, because it's like, it's worse in performance, but it's a game engine, and like game engine, it's a game engine, it's an open game engine. It has add-ons, and like it has got all the tools that you need to make games in it. So yeah, that's something. So that's why it's like there. Anyway, I hope that answers your question. And what? Oh, am I? Wait. I want to work with twice. So yeah. Anyway, what do we have here? Right. Where did we leave off? We leave this. So that what is unnormalized? Oh, wait, what? Instantiate identity? Like, yeah, I removed instantiate identity. What is instantiate identity on a type that doesn't have instantiate identity? How is this, like, there? Expected rest middle TY. Huh. I mean, I do have traits in scope, don't I? I'm clicking on the screen. By the way, green heat is a much better extension than heat. I might switch to it. It allows you to spam click, and it also allows you to drag, and you have right click. And I don't know about modifiers, maybe also. So frontends, Libera's line for 142. Sleep. So what do we have here? Instantiate identity. So this thing returns a type. that returns a type immediately. You don't need instantiate identity, but somehow instantiate identity on any type is defined. Construct, so should fix it. Next we have trait again. So for coolgen this time, I guess 181. They changed it last time. Yeah. Well, no, that's for definition. So last time I changed coolgen, I guess. And is this it? That is it. A lot of warnings. No, that's not it. Generic. You don't have generics. No. Function backend extra reference. Okay, so now you want a reference. Wait, 199. So here, this is a backend, so I do need to borrow it because it's wait, no. I need to deref it because it's dynamic sync sense in me. Right. And here type of early bind. Wait, what? Oh, oh, wait, it wasn't my instantiate identity. If I do instantiate identity here, it's gonna be unnormalized. Problem considers this. Outside of foo t is bound, represented by the process of early binder. So the body foo with 3t is a placeholder by calling instantiate identity. And it returns an unnormalized, which I don't know what unnormalized is. Skip normalization. SRF. No. What is normalization? PPV light 86. What? You skip normalization. What is normalization? Very work in progress. Switching to eager normalization with the next solver. The normalization refactor plant here. And we're in different stages as the change is too big to land in a single PR while this work is in progress. Just use new work in progress and skip normal work in progress as needed. The inner type parameter exists to constrain generic for a certain input. Oh, and so I is phantom data. It's also a function. Derive where? Skip debug. Huh? Wait, what is derive where? So what are the normalization things? I'm gonna use the VIP version. It's work in progress. Okay, so now we're panicking. Undeclared symbol generics as gen. Yeah, right. That thing is not implemented. So we have name conversion somewhere. Declare as generics, I'm gonna keep it for now. So we have name conversion somewhere. Quotes and strings or ident or something. Names. Convert path. So there's a hash. There is a hash somewhere. Where does it come from? Oh. So functions can only be referenced. Actually, types could as well. So let's see types. Yeah, here we go. ADT convert path chain with generics. Nah. So this into. Okay, so now we don't have generics here anymore. Actually, I kinda should have kept it, you know, like. Okay, so it's just as gen now. Oh, yeah, I remember that. We'll need to deal with this. And by the way, yeah, built-in add sub multi functions are not generics. Are not generic. And like this makes me regret it. Kinda again. Yeah. Because maybe we do want generics, like regular generics. At least for declarations. Where's music? Like, what's wrong with you? Do you just not hear it?
Can you read chat, please?
Yeah, first of all I have it muted. But I still just can't hear it. Huh. Oh, here we go. Why is it so quiet? Hold on. Gonna do some magic. Okay, that explains it. Here. Proper volume. That's better. So, right, do we actually... What do we actually do for this? Do we keep it? Do we change it? Do I invent back the original generics and also use macro system? But for definitions. Cause like ideally you'd have declarations, right? I don't know. So anyway. What's wrong? Oh, once. I missed the once. Alright, so where we declare generics. Oops. I pressed Ctrl D. Who would have thought that would close the terminal? I mean, obviously I knew that, but like... Yeah. So we have a panic now. So let's just randomly. So first of all, let's register it. Where do we have our generic stuff? So we have, alright, we have generics. So this will return parameter names. Do we care? Do we care? Wait, I can't. Okay, let's go simplify it, I guess. I mean, it can use any value. Like how am I gonna do that? Like, yeah, we have types, we have integers as well. This is gonna be a slice of. Okay, let's do types for now. So we don't need this strictly. Because it's just gonna be so this is gonna be a closure, and the backend is gonna be defining a macro that will take this closure with wait, I need the name. Key tackle. Read stream, what? So key name. I'm also gonna pass a name in here. Can I do export? Will it be angry at me? Because I need a name. I need macro name, and then I need symbol names. Because now macro is just gonna take name, callback, and this argument. Alright, args. Around. Wait. STD iStream read. Hi, let me. Or is that how I pronounce your name now? You're third. Did I beat backup? No, probably. We were like 30 behind, 30 points behind. We were about 30 points behind. Yeah. Now we're 14 points behind currently. I mean, I can show it. Why would I? Here. Here's bad cop. Here we are. VS Code, no VS Code. Just mew. 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 Wait, VS Code. Wait, that's what you mean by VS Code. You defeated VS Code. No. Level 27. Okay, Nigel, fear. Nigel, you better fear. So yeah. That's the leaderboard. Like, 2 streams and we beat Bad Cop. Because the one stream, so first gets 5 points, second gets 3 points, third gets 1 point, I'm pretty sure. What's the level? 40 something, I think. It was, so it was before level rebalancing. Team Angry Face. Team member Angry Face. Level 47. Oh my lord. And just to learn moves, yeah, I need to fix that. So yeah, all right. If first place gets if it's 5-3-2, wait, if it's 5-3-1, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's gonna be 9 total per stream. So yeah, I need 2 streams. Did I count this right? Yeah. So yeah, 2 streams and we're here. Ooh, how do I do generics properly? Let's ignore it for now. Let's ignore it for now and we'll get back to it later. Let's not test generic then. Let's make sure everything else works. Expressions. I'm pretty sure they work because I hard coded stuff. Wait. Alright, I changed this and cgenlib. For now we will only do type stuff. Hey. It's Flannel Beard. Thank you for the raid. So yeah. How was your stream? Right, we're making a compiler like thing here. What is this? Okay, right. Not bad working on a game. Yeah, we like game dev here. I was just oh, oh you get Alan. Oh, you get Alan plushes for parrots in the back. Why is everyone calling it a parrot? It's not a parrot, it's a different bird. A gold snitch, I'm pretty sure. I don't remember what's the correct name in English. Spent a lot of time on a shader that well took too long. Kind of bird. Yeah, I mean I can't Google Translate, but I'm just so no, it's every single person who comes to the streams says it's a parrot. I have never had a parrot. My mom had one, but like, yeah, no, it didn't live long enough for me to see it. Well, yeah, it's just other birds. Anyway, so yeah, right. I was just asked a question about which language I would say is best for game dev. Because I have tried many languages and I have tried at least 2 game engines. Scratch doesn't count, by the way. It's just a whole another level. So yeah, your sound just like this. Like, also it's a single bird, and yeah, you got Alans. Those were plushes. Those were Alans because your name has a beer inside of it. Unity C#, the most classic way. Yeah, Unity hit the price thing and then everyone just went. No, I'm not gonna use Unity anymore. I stopped using, well, Unity was the first thing I was going to use like for most of my games, but I was so little. And then I discovered that like, no, game engines aren't my thing. I'll just write stuff without them. I'll just write games with libraries. So that's where I am. So yeah, anyway. Unity definitely kills trust. Yeah. I guess they're trying to get back. I've heard some news. I don't remember about them much. But like one of the YouTubers I watch went to Unity conference or something. So yeah, and they were announcing something. I don't know. Sorry. So right, here, this thing. Change this thing. A slice of type. So that's a little compiler if I can get it to run. What do you mean I changed it? Decal. Not allowed. Yeah, right. I'm gonna get rid of this for now. And this for now. See, here we go. It produces this ugly C code, which S error type. Yeah. See you. Thank you for the raid. Oh, we have. Oh, right, we have inlines. So yeah, we have functions which call functions. Yeah. Right. So now what? Now what do I do with this? So I need to figure out generics, right? So I need to do inlining, or I mean, what is it called? To have instantiation, I guess. So you put generic values, and you get types or functions like regular without generics out. How am I gonna do that? Especially good question, because types are I am from Belarus. The country that doesn't have ads, nor it has any ad revenue, nor it has well, sub prices here are $1 per sub. You can get six. Well, actually, no, that's how it used to be. You can get 3 bus tickets for $1. And you can get a bottle of water for 2 bus tickets. that's just a rundown of our economy.
Yeah, boy.
And yeah, also we have sanctions. So we don't have McDonald's. We have Mac.buy. KFC is surprisingly still there, unlike Russia. And like, so you know, in Russia now. Even X doesn't open in Russia. Like, no websites work in Russia. I know that because I was there, competitions and stuff. So here it's the same, but like half of the websites do work because sanctions, like half of the sanctions apply to Russia only, half of them apply to both of us. That's just how it happened. So yeah, but I'm not gonna go into politics here. Prices are low. You realize when prices are low, salaries are also low. An average person would earn about $400 a month. That's actually not even. It's not even average. It's considered good. And like, well, okay, maybe not good, because like we know how in Europe people earn more. So right. Uh, so yeah, not too far. And well, that's it. Economy. Now, how do I actually work with generics? So we have types. If so like here's the generic system. I realize another roadblock. If a non-Rust function calls a Rust generic function, you have a non-Rust type put into that Rust generic function, and that Rust generic function has to do something about it. How are we gonna process this? So we need to convert Orco types to Rust types. Then back unconvert. You know what? Unconvert. Like, wow. So we're gonna take type is a type, is an orco type. We're not gonna use options because like it's so easy to. Oops, it's the stream title. So I'm not gonna take options because they're so easy to unwrap. Anyway, so it would be map or something. Actually no, actually yeah, but no, not quite. Anyway, example, so just match ty error. Let's see. How do you get this? How do you create a ty? Intern with cache type info. I guess you can use tcx somehow. So let's see. Tcx dot a lsp. LSP, no. LSP doesn't like me. Oh wait, it's angry at something. Hold on. Oh, it's fine now. So. Type off. So we have type off. How do we create type? Types. Field. Oh, common types pre-interned. Ooh. Oh, that's useful. Static erased. Region vars. Common constants. Just a lot of common stuff. But I don't think I'm gonna use this. How do you intern a type? Wow. So how do you intern a type? I mean, surely you need type context, right? So annoying that I can't just go to definition and it's gonna give me something. And is the music not there? Yes, it wasn't there. Docs rs, we can do that's not rs. We can do, wait, let's see. No quote here. So let's look for actually what I can do this in return types. Then constructs type ty new u8 new unit. No, there are no ways those are actual functions. Oh, those are actually functions. So it's an interner. Oh, right. ty new from new type equal kind. New fndef, new function pointer, new slice, new ref. New infer. New RTY, new R. Okay, so those are the implementations, I assume. Ty new type context and then just that. And ty new is it public? That's the question. There's so many wrappers. It's not public. Make ty from kind. And then we have a bunch of publics for different ty's from different kinds. I guess fair enough. So let's use this. Although I will rename it to Rust-ty. Wait, it's not gonna work. Oh no. Oh no, it's gonna rename Rust-ty. It's gonna rename it to Rust-ty. No. Roast-op. Dead. Okay, so yeah, right. Anyway, we have ty, it's fine. So here, for error, I'm just gonna do ty error. Syntax error. What do you mean syntax error? Like, bro, hyphen operator. Ty. Come on. Like, LSP didn't grade me today. Okay, let's see if there is a new for error. There's a new error. There is a new error and gar is error guaranteed. Race fatal. New error. Error guaranteed. LSP hates me. On TTX. So that. Or I can't instantiate it. Yeah, I can't instantiate it. Should only be used in code decode. So I cannot create it. I'm just gonna panic here. Encountered orco error type. So yeah, right. Integer size. Integer. Wait. How do I go back? New int. New int and I is int ty. Okay. Actually, match size. Actually, I kinda need any size. Cause so I can do. Wait, can I do TCX error? Can I actually do like TCX error type? TCX types error. No. But so I can. Oh wait. So use integer size SIS. Also qualified properly. And we'll call it IS here. IS bits. Bits, so this is gonna be 8 TCX types I8. This is gonna be TCX types I-sides. Never self-param a nothing here. So I have 8. Can I actually do this? 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. 16, 32, 64, 128. Unknown Rust bit width bits. Yeah, so I do need to probably figure out something better for generics. I mean, I couldn't. Like, if only they could let me use some placeholder type. No, float F size. Pretty much same, but it's gonna be just bits. And oh, I did forget. And it's also not gonna be. What Fs do we have? 16, 32, 64, and 128. So we do need 128. So this is gonna be bits. What breaks coming? Why don't I use relative numbering? I use relative numbering, like if you look closely, this is the absolute number and the rest of them are relative. That's how relative numbering works in Helix. This doesn't look like Rust. You know, true, but those are not reserved identifiers. Bool, TCX types. Even Orco has a built-in bool type, like, yo. Although you can have I1 and U1 in theory. Oh, while editing. Oh, yeah, that's true. Huh. Well, that's just how Helix works. Symbol. How do you... Okay, so this is gonna be the toughest one. Because I just want Rust to not care about it. But it will. It's not a const. It's a field of a struct, a regular field. So yeah, we're making a compiler like thingy. So how do I do this? Why new? Oh, wait, can I do placeholder? It's italicized. I'm not from Italy. Okay, so let me just new function, new ref. I wish I could just do a bound or something. New param. Wait, like what if I actually do type param? Italicized. Yeah, it happens to me. New param. Symbol. What is a symbol? and intern UTF-8 string. Oh. Called Crafting Interpreters. Yeah, that's a great book. Although I have never read it. But it is a great book. So yeah, we probably should use new param instead. That's a hack, but whatever. So yeah, anyway, if you take a look, this is the C code we generate from Rust. That's currently what we are on. It will be more than just that. But yeah, and I'm just trying to get music back. Is it there? I can't hear it. No. Like, what's wrong with my music? Oh, wait. It was paused as well. Split versus Rust, which side are you on? Oh, it's not like what's better, which side are you on? Yeah, on Rust side, I guess. I have written a ton of C++ and will continue to write it, because for embedded, or for... Arduino is just better than Rust. Hot take. Like, where you need Rust the most, embedded systems where you like don't want bugs to happen. No. I mean, I had my experience with Rust. I was overflowing the stack and I was so confused. Cause like, it couldn't even panic because I was overflowing the stack so much. And like then I started decreasing size and I was like, oh! And now it's like, it started panicking because the stack had like actually had spare space in it, but it was still overflowing in it. Yeah. That was like an experience. So yeah, param hash name. So I need to hash the names. And I don't want to use a global, although I might as well. Oh, that's a horrible idea, you know. So I need a context. Well, that kind of sucks, honestly. Anyway, so we go to libRSpec. Let's see libRSpec. And oh my god, it's hot in here. Like, actually, why is it that hot? Oh, right, the thermometer broke. So I got rid of it. Okay. Let's see. So we have that. Have all that. So whenever I want to wrap a generic, append wrap generic. Generator closure of back and so yeah, we just impl. So impl backend, or actually let's do B. Oh. So for each B, I need a generic closure. Wait, How am I gonna do that? Or v1, which is Oracle declaration backend. I'm gonna have t. So I'm gonna pass in for the object. Early binder. Okay, that's like how Linux kernel source code kinda looks like. Wait, I cannot do that. What binder kind is this? So have a key. 6 generic soft key. I guess this wrapper is pointless. Let's just try doing this. So we have this backend function name params convert signature output convert attributes. Hopefully I don't need to do binders here. I do. Wait, no. Wait. Oh my god! Wait, what? Oh wait, no, it's right. Oh, it's so confusing. Okay, right. So function. Skip binder. Yes. So what if we don't skip binder? So TCX backend key and instance. Where is it? Oh wait, we do have instantiate identity already. Because this is a mess of a type. This is an early binder of a binder. What? Why? Why wouldn't you flatten it or something? Oh, that's so painful. And unnormalized has skip binder, which skips normalization as well. Oh, why Rust? Okay, I can't say anymore if it's correct or not. Okay, so let's see. Foreign function. Let's do it on a struct. It's gonna be easier, right? EDC variance next to wrap. Fields filter map. This type context type of this instantiate identity. So I do want this. And is there music? Or is it dead again? Just dead again. Cool. He's a horrible player. So, might as well make it a little quieter. So we're gonna wrap generics. We're gonna take a type context, I guess, or we kinda need type context. X, Y, C, T, X, T. Need a lifetime. Then we have generator. We'll come back to it. We have key, more importantly. So TCX generics of takes into query key def ID. I'm just gonna copy the param. It's public, I assume. So let generics. Key of def ID. It's just C-span def ID. Oh. Okay, I guess I can just do this. What is the def ID of this thing? Come on. Let x equals old default x. No, what's the type of x? Unknown, bro. You can't do this to me. So this is, it's just def ID. What is the def ID? Okay. It's public. It's not public. It's public is just public is public. Public is separate. HER. HER is the span one. Okay, so that's generics. Now I just need to create binders. So then we import the declaration backend. Name, which we need to be a symbol. Callback and call once. Call once is true. Callback is backend ty. Right, backend args. Right. So backend args. Backend args. Args are gonna be so we have args, right. No. Generics. So we need to convert generics and args to a thing that can instantiate. I'll figure it out. Right. So have that. Now, what do I put in here? So I need. We have Rust's backend, my backend, Rust's type of key or name, and my type of key or name. Oh, I mean, only from its name. Okay. So what do we put in here? What do we need to instantiate? Just like rough and normalize it manually. Okay, so instantiate args. Args are a slice like where item is a generic arg. Generic arg which can be like anything. Okay, so let's do this. So okay, so function. Actually, is this fun mute? This shouldn't be a fun mute. Should just be fn. So a function taking backend. Is walk time useful? I guess. I mean, I'm not using it for usefulness. It's just like funny. I don't know. I can just share. I can just take a look at what projects I have used. I can take a look. Like it's just every week I get an email containing how many hours I spent programming and how many hours were each project. So I guess I just like that. So that's why I'm using it. And like you have also recaps and stuff. Yeah, that's the point. Okay, so this is gonna take arguments. So it's gonna take backend, and it's gonna take args, which are a slice of a C middle Y or something. And out of there, oh my god. Difficult. So what am I gonna do? I need my own type context. I need just context. Like actually just a struct context. Global context. tcx ty context. Backend. By the way, I also had a thought. What if we get rid of this? It would be a radical change, you realize. Where is cgen lead? And just provide those types immediately. Because like symbols, I can just take symbol kinda now, and I can just move it out. Like, you know, yeah, I can just move it out into the wild. So that's your declaration. All the symbols stored somewhere in a giant hash map. Or like a shared backend. So like where this idea came from is I could take CGN, could take part of it as independent of languages, and move it into Orco backend. That's like shared. And then it could be reused. Cause like why would I have those wrappers? Like I have a reason. I had a reason for those wrappers, but since every backend is gonna save them it's gonna save, well, most likely every single backend is gonna save those types. So might as well, because every backend might need type. No, it has to have type of for front end, so it has to store those functions. Hi, Kiwiman. Yeah, you don't wanna know what this thing stores. Like, it's problem with Rust. Maybe you'll fix it in cast. I don't know. Is there is no way to that's not macros, that's anything. So yeah, that's the problem. There is by the way, I can change this to a concrete type now. Yay! Well, almost concrete type. So yeah, you can not store a reference or a box of dynamic any function that takes any kind of arguments. So like, you cannot just put a fan once in here or a fan mute. That's the problem. Like you have to provide arguments. And what if I don't know the arguments and I want to downcast to those arguments later? I have to store any. And like, yeah, I still don't know if it will downcast to trade. I have not tried this. But yeah, I'll change this. So yeah, the idea was to extract this enum, because like everyone's gonna have it anyway, so might as well have it in the Orco crate. And so we provide, as declaration, we just provide a set of those things, or a hash map rather. So those are called symbols. Then we can declare more symbols using generics and macros, and that any for a bit more safety. Yeah, actually, I didn't think about it. Just to something like that, and then it's gonna let me import it, right? Or wait, how do I actually do this? For any type where C is a fan once. Well, let's say fan once for now. We have this, but like it's not gonna work. It's gonna tell me this, so I still have to provide types. And another problem is I cannot. So like I could do args tuple. Oh wait, so that thing exists, but I can't put args in here because then it's gonna be a function that takes a tuple instead of a function that takes arguments, which are a tuple. And like, there is no way I can do this because it's nightly. But I mean, in theory I can do this, so I might. Could. But like, yeah, I don't really care about it anymore. This is doable, hold on. So yeah, the problem is that it will require nightly. Or you can do T1, or A1, A2, A3, A4, A6, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, A13, well, you get the point. Oh, and I also have to do any return type, and it's like a billion of those traits. Yeah, no, I'm not doing this. Like, I have to change to static arguments, because like, yo, like, who would have thought that a function taking any type of arguments is difficult? The simples are done with macros usually. Yeah, but like in this case, well, it's just one line. Why can't I copy it 1,000 times? And like, I've seen myself those lines, and like, I'm pretty sure in Rust C they are, or in Instadlib. Or or in 30 or something for tuples. Like, that's one line you don't really need a macro for this. Anyway, so yeah, right. I wanted to move this stuff out. So another rewrite, let's go. Am I gonna regret it? Who knows? I'm gonna trust lambda into JS function. Ow. Writing a 12-line macro to generate 11 lines of code. Classic. Yeah, right. Here. Let me just. So this trait is gonna go. Nigel, say goodbye to the trait. Say goodbye to the trait. Oh, damn, I'm gonna have to macro invoke. Actually, no, I don't have to do invoke macro. I can actually provide this. No. What do you mean no? You don't like it. You have not liked it. Symbols are only. You'll fork time to keep them safe. I mean, like, what's the point? What's the point? And then I need to move this as well. And function signature. Oracle function signature. Right here. I know it's this one. I'll need to think about it. You have a function signature, which has attributes, params, optional names. Names are string. With names are symbols. Although I don't know really here, honestly. Wait, no, names are strings, aren't they? Yeah, names are strings. Params, return types, and attributes. So that. Now I can move this into types. Although types has a function pointer which does not include attributes. So maybe no. I don't know. Do I move it? Do I move it in here? Like, we have integer size here, right? Kinda makes sense. And then we have create address here as well. I don't know. I don't know where this belongs. This is such a core part now. Oops. It belongs here. Think of them as what you would put in a C header. Macros experiment. Type type alias, aka type def function, macro. Like, okay, I don't know about this trait. Maybe I will. Maybe do I keep it? No, do I keep it? Well, it's not gonna be a trait anymore, though. Or should I keep it as a trait? Or should I just change it to a struct? Well, I mean, struct's gonna be there anyway, right? What's the point? Actually, no, we do need a struct because we need him turning. Yeah, so that's Orcus becoming sicker. And I am gonna regret this, am I not? Okay, so I need to actually close some things. So I'm gonna take those. Definitions? Nope. So we have symbols, right? Symbol to kind. Then we'll have interned. Will declaration backend. Tab append symbol. Self name symbol kind. So we do that. Do we keep it private? Turned on. And by the way, I forgot cool ones in here. So do I keep those? Yo, you're back. Welcome back. Yeah, just say goodbye. The straight is going. It's now a struct. I don't know if I should keep it as struct. It's like all those functions. I can keep this public, so I can get rid of that actually. Why? Restructuring. What happened? Restructuring. I move the code that is gonna be used by many things into a shared, well, not shared library, but like a library you can share. That's what you do when you do rewrite-driven development. That's like another stage of a rewrite, another part of a rewrite. Looks scary. All my code looks scary. You should get used to this. Okay, no, not all of it, but fine. If I'm gonna be teaching somebody, and I have plans for it, partially, just subscribe to my main YouTube channel. You'll see. Hopefully, in between Minecraft and SMP videos, you're gonna see some like heavy programming stuff. Yeah, I have plans about Linux kernel as well. I'm just gonna spoil that. I have heavy plans, like huge plans, and also yeah, I have plans on how to burn Nigel's channel points. Nigel, how many points do you have? I'm gonna regret it by the way. Just so you know. Okay, where's the insert? Insert thing. Name. Symbol kind function. Wait, do we move? Which this thing should be? Let's just take a function signature. Wait, just... Oh, you want me to play Mega Hulk? I imagine just give him an waiting here. Why can't I? Oh right, I close the browser. So yeah, I imagine just Kevin just sitting there waiting for 1k channel points to redeem this. Let me pull this up. Do we switch to games and demos or what? I don't think there's... I think it's fine if I keep it software. So yeah, Nigel, you didn't answer my question. You can redeem this multiple... Okay. You don't need to. Do you need music? What? You have multiple games too? Oh. I mean, I can play your game on your channel as well. I'm scripting, downloading. You're downloading and scripting. Why is it half black? Why are like 3/4 of the screen black now, all of a sudden? Is my screen so small? It decided to collapse. Red Giver getting the 7th redeem. Hey! That's unfair! You want me to redeem change of plans or what? Preparing a bar. What are you preparing for? The loading actually takes a while. But yeah, that's the case for Wasm games, I guess. Is my internet okay? Honestly, not sure about it. Well, I'm not dropping frames, so it's not horribly wrong, but yeah, that's the speed it's gonna go at. Let me refresh, maybe. I could do a speed test. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leak my IP. No, that looks like perfect. That looks better than usual. 83. 83, yeah, that's above average. I mean, actually, I average 80. I guess. 86. So it's gonna be about this. All downloads complete. Now what? Dependency. Still waiting on run dependencies. Do I debug this? So it starts. Skip an unsupported feature name accelerometer gyro soup. Oh hey, Tran. So what do I do? WSD arrow keys. Oh wow, it's good one. First of all, pause that. Second of all, how do I make it quieter? There's no way. It's so loud though. I mean, okay, I can probably lower it here, just remind me to push it back. I have volume controls, but not for the browser. Looks like GTA 1. I decided. Okay, so yeah, how does this work? I have watched your stream, but like, whoa. Oh my god, this is confusing. Oh, I hate car controls. Yeah, I know. What was the game I played with car controls? Which I'm just so bad at this, cause yeah, I tried installing it. It just didn't work. I feel like me going for this fuel was not a good idea. It was not worth it. So yeah, I was playing some game with car controls. Get me there. I'm low on fuel. Does this actually consume my fuel? And oh, I did waste it. What was the game I played with car controls? That's like well, I liked. Oh right. Oh, that's it. Time to write our own browser. Yeah, why can't anyone make a browser that's good without extensions? You gotta fix this. How do I restart? Yeah, okay, so Bruno's portfolio was car with car controls, which I was bad at. Bro, why am I not picking it up? I'm so bad at this. Okay. No. Okay, I'm not driving a car anytime soon, am I? Let's just go. Like, how am I supposed to pick up this fuel? This is so confusing. I'm used to global. Like, I'm pressing A if I need to go left, no, regardless of where I am looking. But I have to go so slowly to just... Okay, so I feel like turning is a little too much on sensitivity. Might just be me though. Just drive backwards. Press left and then right, press right. Oh, you know, it's too hard for me. I don't know my lefts and rights, do I? Oh, okay, so at least I wanna try something. Is there anything that like this happens if I go here? Oh, cars are spawning. Oh. Can I get to negative 100? No, cause I can't turn. It is a challenge mode. Wait, what? I suck at this. Oh my god. Oh. Face to face, just the face to the door. Yeah, I wanna get to 100. I don't want to waste fuel for that. Well, I reached negative 100, so right, but I don't have fuel. Average speed minus 1.44. Honks 1, mega honks 3. What honks do? Like, what do honks do? Oh. No? Am I? Like, you know, I'm a good driver, right? I'm supposed to bump into everyone. Cause that's nice. I mean, isn't that just a billiard in disguise? Oh, that was a bounce, wait. The bouncing is actually kind of fun. Why can't I? Oh, right. They don't know how to drive. Let me get out of here. Like, just wait for me to get a car in real life, and that's gonna be it's not gonna be that. Like, look, I'm pressing right. I'm going, and since I'm going backwards, and I'm not even pressing S. I'm going backwards by inertia. I'm turning the wrong way. Because the game is fun, but like, I cannot get fuel fast enough. Cause like, look, what? It's too far. Like, look, okay, that was fun, but like, usually, so I can collide it with it and not get the fuel, or quite often. That annoys me. Free away from me. Like, look, now. Yeah, I just went through it, pretty much. So yeah, I'm just playing billiards. Wait, not? Isn't this billiard in disguise? Okay, stop punch. I'm the white ball. I'm supposed to punch everyone. Oh, I'm a red. I'm not gonna get to this field in time. You know what would be funny if the cars actually like took fuel from me? Okay, I'm done. So yeah. Also, am I supposed to drive in lanes or what? I mean, those cars aren't driving in lanes, so why would I? Okay, drifting is the way. Doesn't consume as much fuel. And also never, never, never go backwards. Because it swaps left and right. Okay, how am I supposed to drive around in this case? And how am I supposed to get fuel in this case? Like... maybe... yeah... maybe... but like there's no way to disable them, is there? And like, car controls are fine if I actually get to Linksider demo. You know what? Sure. I have not played Linksider a single time. Yeah. Although it does look very interesting. Do I pull up Steam back? Yeah, let me Steam. Wishlist Linksider. Yeah, I have never played it, in fact. So that's a thing. Let me pull up Steam. Do you have a Twitch category for Linksider? So I can switch it here at least. Oh, you do? Okay, so where's Steam? I logged into Steam yesterday just to play Close to Light. It's a game to not change. I mean, yeah, but like, it's still... people yelled at me for not changing it, so now I'm... well, not really yelled at me, but like... also, I have mods. Why are mods not doing it? Isn't that the point of mods? To delegate everything to them? Push all the work to them? Search. Okay, wait. I did it already. And, hold on, let me bring my overlay back. Bang mods. Okay, I need to make Chatri, I need to configure my overlay to, if you do add mods, it will add every single mod I have. Okay, so Linksider demo. I don't even have, no, I do have a wishlist. Baby version. Do I? I do. Well, I haven't played any version. Okay, 46 megabytes. Thanks God those games are small, because my home partition is not ready. Well, I did. Reserving space. Feels weird installing Steam on Office PC. Do I get a computer? Like, do I... Steam download stream lag. Is it lagging? Oh, it is lagging. Oh, it is lagging the encoder, huh? Well, what can I do, I guess? Hold on tight. We'll be back. So yeah, should I get a computer next time I get a computer, or should I get a laptop? Because I'm such a laptop person, and spam detected. Oh, is it still Christmas/New Year? This is still Christmas/New Year, isn't it? Or party? Eh? Well, looks like that to me. I mean, it's a dance, so yeah, sure. Download. Why is it taking so long? Yo, 50%. Get a framework laptop. You know how much money that costs? Actually not that much. Since we're downloading Linksider, I might as well visit framework website, because I did the configuration at some point. Oh, it's downloaded. Now we'll launch it and it's gonna be downloading something, right? Library. Boom. So yeah, a framework. Let's see how much it costs. I'm still not gonna buy it, cause like, how? even if I do, even if I will have money for it, which if it's not that much, then sure. It's just difficult to get in here. It's gonna be difficult to deliver. Oh, press the framework button and it opens Linksider. Anonymous data sharing. You can help the developers. What is this? What is it called? Oh, I forgot. I mean, sure, of course. Doesn't work. Kiwi! Why can't I... Why doesn't it work? Wait, okay, so I pressed escape. You steal my data. Yeah, sure. I mean, I'm always for that. Server down? I don't know. No doesn't work either. Escape worked. Steam Discord. So let's exit. That doesn't work. Kiwi! Why? Like, what's wrong with me? What's wrong with my case? Do I just... Okay, so I can use keyboard. Hold on. Let me restart. It's gonna ask me again about the data. Like, my mouse is just... But why is the animation? Why are the animations there? That's the question. Like, I click it, it goes down, but it doesn't click. However, with keyboard it works just fine. That's surprising. Okay, it doesn't ask me for my data again. Okay, wait, how do you... Okay, escape works. Oh, that's settings. Music, sound, and... Ooh! Oh, that's nice. Do I need mouse for this game? Do I have to have mouse? Chapter 2. Okay, I can go to chapter 2. This is settings. Oh! Oh, it works now. Look. Yay. Your code doesn't compile. Your compiler is broken! That's the response I'm gonna say to people who tell me my code doesn't compile. Just use Orco. Okay, so that's weird. On the mouse, on the keyboard, on the gamepad, only touch. Okay, so that's a level. What was this? Why was it here? Eh? Chapter 1. Okay, do we have any buttons to press? Play. I'm just gonna use WSD. Oh, those controls are nice. R is rewind. How much are rewinds for? Legs. That's your game. I don't know. Hold on. Stats. Oh, stream lags a lot. Encoding lags. Huh. Okay, now that is bad. I have no idea how to fix this. Is it gonna go down? No, it's not. Oh, that's a problem. Okay, something somewhere is taking away my GPU. I know that frames are dropping. The GPU I use for encoding. Well, okay, so we went down here. Okay, now it's fine. Now it's dropping again. Okay, QV, explain yourself. An Exciter isn't using much GPU. Yeah. There's more CPU. I don't care about CPU. I'm encoding using the GPU. That's the problem. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, that seems fine. Currently. Bro. I did this again. Why doesn't it advance you to the next level automatically? Okay, seems fine now. Oh, that's pretty cool. Ooh, I like that. Look at that menu. Ooh, we have a fork. Why didn't? Why? Why? I want to fork because it's number. I can't. Oh. Huh. Press up. I need to go down, not up. And like it's not letting me. Oh wait, I somehow went. Huh. I somehow went left. Okay, so I can go left. Oh wait, it's holding up. Oh, I think I know what it is. Oh, it's holding W. Yeah, right. Buffering. Oh. Okay. So what do I do here? Wait, I think I messed up. Alright. I'm just dumb. I'll tab with W. Maybe, I don't know. But it doesn't feel like I should have had issues with this. Like I should have. It feels like I haven't done anything so criminal. What button is this? Tab. WS. Up down. Ooh. Nice effects. Ooh. Wait, what are those buttons? Undo Z, redo X. And R is to restart completely. Okay, so it's telling me I messed up. Oh, cause there's no way to get out. So I need to do this. Oh. Wait, is it gonna rewind me? How much is it gonna? It's gonna rewind me one step at a time. See, feeling better at puzzles than car controls. Let's see. Well, I'm learning, right? Yes, what do I need here? Oh god. Yes, I need to... Here. Oh. Ha. Wait. Do I need to? I do. Oh. Hard coded. Here. Wait. Okay, I know what I need to do. It would be too much hinting. Oh, this. Okay, here we go. Oh, the blue blocks, I remember those. Add start. Oh no, add over. Well, I don't know if Kiwi's an ad. Do I continue on playing? Ooh, this thing. I can rotate! Yo! Wait, I can rotate! Oh, that's so cool! Oh, was it gonna rotate me too? Oh! Oh, that's cool. I think it's... Oh wait, oh, I can switch! Wait. I need an even number of them, by the way. Don't I? Wait, I need a... Wait, no, it's not parity, it's... Oh. I'm sweeping, I'm mixing up left, right, and up, down. For 1, for 2, for 3, for 4. Wait, how do I do this? I know. Vertical controls make sense. I struggle with cards. It's not that, trust me. Oh. Okay, so this one's gonna be tough. Wait. Do I need to get them on opposing sides? Oh, now I can't wait, no, I can. Right. So I just do this and right, it doesn't work. Wait, hold on. Let's see. This is too much. They need to be because we take more than 10 minutes. I guess. Okay, so I need to. Oh wait, I'm down. And why is the mouse? Oh, the mouse controls. Okay, so I know what I need to do. Clap. Oh. Oh. Oh right, I have two dudes. Wait. So I need to turn. So I need to turn. I need to do this once again. Because I'm bad at parity. Okay. Oh my god. What is this? What is this? Okay, I think I know what you want me to do. I don't even know how I switch that quickly. Wait, no. Not like this. Okay, so I need... So jump height. Jump height will get me exactly where I need to. Assuming he's gonna be there. So this is just okay. Why doesn't it switch? Oh, because I need to wait. Here we go. What GPU? You wanna know? You really wanna know? Yeah, GPU encoding let me speed up my improve my stream quality a lot. So yeah, I'm using the Radeon Vega integrated to encode, and yeah, I'm not using NVIDIA at all. I mean for games, I guess. Okay, so what is this? So I can't go there yet, can I? So I need to go here. Or did I miss something? What is the log? Is this like a dummy? This is like a dummy. Yeah, but like it's a GPU after all. Let me see. Have I missed anything? 6 out of 5. Oh! Oh, I have missed stuff. Okay, so this branching system is gonna be interesting. I'm stuck. Oh. Okay, so I need this, right? So my keys are sticking, apparently. Okay, what do I need here? I feel like this level was in the video. Doesn't mean I know how to solve it though. Oh, I can't switch here in the state. Ah, I'm switching. I'm mixing them. Ooh. Okay. What did I do? Okay, I know what I did, but like. Oops. I did this again. Oh, what? Alright. Okay, so I unlocked this part. Do we have anything here to unlock? No? Anything here to unlock? I wanna keep track. Okay, so this is the first one. I love this menu, this navigation thingy. This map. Okay, so I need more. So the dummies. Wait, I think what's that? Oof. Yes, I'm supposed to fall from the top, I assume. But then there's a dummy which falls in place of me, and well, yeah, I can't do much. So I assume. Wait, like, why doesn't it count like that? Oops. Hold on. I need to be there. I'm missing it by one. And like, so that means I need to be in this state. Wait, like that. Here. Careful. Oh, I can't fall here probably. Actually, I can. Okay, so I need this. I had to confine myself. What is this? So this is the thing that doesn't. Okay, so there's a heavy block. Can we make our own texture packs for this thing already? Wait. I think I messed up. Cause I need more. Okay, so I need to do this, then this. Then, wait, how do I? I don't think how? How do I get them both there? Wait, can I just... Because it's gonna... Oh wait, this thing doesn't work, right? Legs back. CPU usage is GPU usage. No, CPU usage is not GPU usage. And lag is indeed back. Ah, it's annoying. They just AFK'd this for a second. It's gonna go away. And then I come back. No, it's still encoded. Oh my god. Kiwi, what did your game do to my GPU? How? Like, I can't encode with NVIDIA GPUs, that's the problem. Go away my mouse. And now, like, I'm stuck. Wait, no, I can't get out of this, can't I? No, yes, I can. But then I get stuck. So I need to get past. I need to push this one in. No, I need to get to the other side of that one. Which... Oh, wait. I think I know the solution. I just need to perform it. Hold on. Wait, I need to... Okay, so this now I can do that. And now I can get in there. F6. This is fine now. Primus run or something. Okay, so this thing doesn't work at all. Like for me, like at all. Oh, so I need to pass this block. Oops. I should stop hitting this and use Z to undo instead. This is not what I want. Dude, what am I doing wrong? Wait, am I supposed to just go in? This is gonna be wrong. I think I need to do it from the start. Yeah. And now I can turn. Here we go. Okay, so we have this branch, which means I can unlock this thing. Oh, what is this level? Oh, what is this level? I wish it auto restarted. You just jump in here. Pathfinder. Wait, no, I need to... How do I actually get there? Wait. Is there actually a way to get the distance needed? Is it like I need to be turning clockwise when I do this thing? No, wait. Oh wait, I know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know how to do that though. So I need to fall. Wait, how am I supposed to fall in here? Like that. Yo. What? I'm not making it, I'm just playing it because redeem. Because Twitch. You ever heard of Twitch? Okay, so I need to fall. Wait, what does it do currently? Hold on. If I do this, yeah, right, it pushes me double. Oh, right. Oh, wait, that's easy, isn't it? It's not that easy, but like. So Twitch is a thing. They can make me play a game. Guess I just need to flip 180, don't I? Oh, that will do it. No, that won't do it. Because of the jump. So it needs to be facing. I need to be facing what? Wait, I need to land on it. Which means it must be on the right here and it's on the left. Which means it must be on the left here. This doesn't work. It's not necessary. But you don't realize it is necessary. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, I'm completing this chapter and that's it. Just like sub-chapter thingy. Okay, what am I supposed to do here? Wait. So I'm supposed to... Oh, how am I supposed to do that? Wait. I'm supposed to fall. How am I supposed to fall? Oh wait, I'm supposed to... Okay, yeah, I'm supposed to fall. Wait, no, I'm supposed to fall... I'm supposed to fall and turn. That's not gonna do it. So here, it's like in this case. Okay, so I'm supposed to fall. What? I don't know enough about mechanics of this game. Game is just left and right, it's easy. Well, you have up and down as well, don't you? Okay, so I'm supposed to, when I'm falling, I'm supposed to turn the other way. Can I? I can't like that. Oh, you are right. You are right. Although that's hints. But like you haven't played the game, so it's fine. Yeah, it falls though. So I could try. Oh, it just gets stuck. Because if it falls past us. It falls too quickly. And then I cannot get it. So I need to... Wait. Last couple of those can be pretty difficult here. Yeah, I'm not doing the whole demo. Fine. Okay, what can I... What can I do here? There's like, it's so little freedom. Oh wait, this is a new state. It doesn't really help though. Oh wait, this! Right! Cause it pushes you to the right and like... Okay. So I just want to finish this region. I'm finishing this region and I'm back to work. Okay, I think that's It just gets me stuck. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wait, I think I need to be there. Wait, no. Wait, no. I need this guy to fall first, because... Oh, wait. Wall won't work. Ah, why did I restart? Wall won't work because, so I need to push from him. Which means I need to get pretty high up, somehow. Or I do this and then right. Okay, yeah, I can try that. Or I can just try that. That works. Leg back. Oh no. Leg stop. QV link side of setting my GPU. Okay, so there is a way to get back from here, right? So I need to get one of them there. Right? Oops. Whoa! Okay, that was a combo. Okay, so I need to do this again. Because I need this. Now. This is pretty fun. So how do I get there? Do I just get here? Yeah, but like I need to be in a different orientation. Here we go. And the last one for today. You have free changes. I literally idling and complaining. But yeah, but like I can't use NVIDIA GPU for encoding. Do we have any other guys? We do have a guy. We do have a guy. We have a guy. Okay, so I can get here. Okay. So what I need to do is to either hide unknown, to either shoot the guy here or rotate 90 degrees. I need to be wait. No, not 90. I need this to be at the bottom, huh? Well, let's see what this guy can do. Nothing. those all feel so forced. Surprisingly. Okay, come back. Okay, so what do I need this guy for? Oh, now I'm stuck. Holy. Do they have to get down there? No, surely not. There's also this hole. I'm gonna risk it. Yeah, no, that's pointless. Oh, I restarted. Oh no. This is the last one, come on. Can't be that hard, right? Wait, I overdid it again. I like how you can be fluent with keys. Wait. Okay, so now what? So I need to push off a guy here, so I need to get this guy here. Wait. So here, lag again. Oh. I might have an idling GPU, but that doesn't mean I can use it. Like, Kiwi, why is your game not using my idling GPU? That's the question. Idling GPU should be used for games. Like, right? Okay, so how do I get this guy here? I need to get this guy off of here first. Which means I need to get here first. I think that's gonna help. Nope. I pressed R. I know, but wait, redo button works if I press R? If I restart? Oh, you can undo R? Oh my god, why haven't you told me this earlier? Like, I'm okay, you told me at great time, I guess. Okay, so what do I do? How do you get this guy where I need him to be? It doesn't work. You can push him off a cliff. Like, what's the point? Surely there must be a way on the top, right? Will he hit if like here when he falls, will he hit me in here? They're sleeping. Come on. Oh, hi Wojtekin. Haven't seen you in a while. So this is what I'm doing at 2 hours and 34 minutes mark. Oh. So how do we solve this? Wait, I mean I can hit here. Actually, wait. Wouldn't just do that? Wait, no, I can't get him here because this thing is. Why? Why did you do this? Oops. Okay, if I fall, how far do I fall before I'm dead? Ah! I'm just pressing the wrong keys everywhere. Why what? So that's not helpful, because this guy is now stuck. I lag again. I just want to finish this level. No way it's that simple. I mean, yeah, sure, you can get back up. what's the point? Thankfully, you're not working in the compiler that compiles the GPU. I mean, who knows? Who knows? Kinda lagging? Yeah, I know. Okay, how am I supposed to do that? So I need to get this guy here, right? Like, throw back when he was there. Oops. His audio also no. Well, it's not supposed to, right? Oh wait, what if I actually do this? Okay, that's gonna be okay. Yeah. Actually, never mind. I can't get out of this. Well, I did get out of it, right? Wait, yeah, I can just. Oh. Wait, how do I... Okay, okay, here. Here I can get here. Now this guy can get here. And now I can bounce off of him. Finally. Just need to... Let's go! Okay, so we've beaten those. 11 out of 11, we can go further. And we can also go further in here. Okay, enough of that. Chapter 5. Wait, this last chapter! Wait, this is the last chapter! Wait, what is there then? Dude, this is the last scene. Oh, wait, I did end it. Hold on. Is this the whole demo? Just alt tab. Okay, fine. 88% of frames were dropped. Come on, go down. Okay, here. I don't know why this is happening. So yeah, Kiwi. Is this it? Why didn't you tell me, huh? Well, great game. I liked it. Okay, I need to roll back the sounds. This goes to 80%. This goes to where did we have it here? Somewhere here. You told me. Anyway, we're in the middle of rewrite. Yay! Let me check something real quick though. Okay. Okay. Oh, and mods. Nigel left. I'm going to software. By the way, is Close to Light? Does Close to Light have more followers than Insider category? I told you. You told me 15 minutes ago. The last chapter. You didn't tell me there was anything else there. Yo, too late. I changed it. Is my bitrate okay now? Is the encoding okay now? So I was gonna check something here. Oh, there's nothing. Alright. I finished the demo in less than 1 hour. Yes. Wow! Yay! Let's go! I don't like Bevy, I already said that. Like, bro, why is this stream? Why is today's stream just about game dev? Like, what? I already said I don't like Bevy personally because I don't like ECS. Because it splits logic and data and OP combined, so... And like, I'm used to OP, I guess. I guess, but I don't know, maybe I should give it another try. I like Unity's component system because, well, it's literally OP, but like composition. And when I say OP, I mean methods are applied to structs. So impl block in Rust, the only thing in Rust, the only impl, just the impl block in Rust is the OP, is all the OP. Not infiltrate, just regular impl. So you're attaching methods to structs. That's the OP. So yeah, and also I kinda like macro quad, although I have not used it. I heard good things about it, right? Unwrap. Do we have a SCC in Oracle? We do have a SCC in here. Wait, no, it's in backends. Wait, no, what? Oracle cargo combo. Yeah, we do have a SCC in here for some reason. From Belly to custom engine. Yay. Okay, so we're back. And by the way, I do notice that my average is actually like usually above 4. So yeah, guys, we grew. I'm just gonna split my Twitch growth into discrete steps and say, oh hey, we were averaging 1 to 2 before, now we're averaging 4 to 5. But I mean, it's actually gonna be lower because start of the stream, but whatever. Self symbols inserting name symbol kind type CY. For this completed unused result unwrap. By the way, is this a good thing or a bad thing? Maybe I shouldn't be using symbols like that. Maybe I should be using types. Or like, maybe I should split it into separate maps. Types, types, symbols, or types, functions, macros separately. Ivinio, Evenayo. Okay, so yeah, I feel like splitting would make sense. Because when you do type of, you normally would do function or const. So get rid of symbol kind. Like, you know, get rid of that. Yeah, I'm gonna rewrite it so drastically, it's gonna change so much. Functions. So this is gonna be a function signature. So from function name to its declaration, from alias to its underlying type can be nested. Not quite. Nested is not quite the word, but I guess. I guess. Function type. So you can have functions with the same name, and like it's just easier to get and stuff. So do I really need this sort of thing? I mean, I kinda need separate symbols. It's okay. So we'll have macros. It's gonna be hash map, STC hash map from symbol to a box of a name. So, what do we do here? I need a function. I'm gonna do type. I missed it. Type macro. It's gonna be a fan from declaration backend reference, and then it's also gonna take arguments, parameters. So a slice of types. Currently, where's the ampersand? And so yeah, if you want to handle your first classness, just split and create. Split and conquer. Anyway, input. Wait, I can do trade. I can do trade stuff like that. This is experimental. Oh, come on. Why does Oracle have to be unstable? Okay, so and I did get rid of symbol type. Rollback. Do I rename this to symbols? Let's just add this. Let's do pub mode symbols. Lurk. Actually, this is not gonna be public. Type in yeah, code gen. Yeah, because we have impulse including unsupported instruct. And center the stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna create symbols. Symbols arrest. Come on, pick it up. Just wait a little bit. Now let's move some stuff in here. Don't have anything in there. Function signature. Boom. Use super attributes or create attributes, I guess. Super works. Okay, so macro. Although I will change it. Struct. I'm gonna change it to struct that houses a box of dynamic function. That is dynamic dispatch. And come on. And it's gonna house a boolean. Can I just use superstar? They need types. Actually no, I can just do this and type. And that's I'm gonna qualify as create declaration backend. Actually I'm gonna unmerge this since this is gonna be create type and so we do this. also fired Boolean. Wait, I need to think this. I need an atomic bool. Actually, I need. Oh, I need an atomic num. Rust atomic num. Welcome back. Because obviously you need this thing. V2? Okay, you're not asking for V1, you're asking for V2 now. That's too much to ask. Especially with some stuff on the horizon. You're not putting me to time pressure. You're not putting time pressure on me. Too primitive. It's unstable. I'm not gonna do atomic nums. I mean, I can do atomic U8. And okay, so if it's 0, it's 1, if it's 2. Do I just do a mutex on it now? You know what? I can do an optional bool. Atomic bool. Like, that's why you use the nums. We got Java now. Public function use, it's gonna take impl fan. It takes a create declaration backend and slide. So macro function. Self func none. Oh, and all ones. Boom. And then some. New of false. Expected nothing from macros returns self. Function is box new fun. No, I'm not pinning anything. Just this phone box a little. Wait, no, it's a func s underscore. Oh wait, that's not how it works. Right. Mainly long enough. So yeah, this is a macro now. Oh, and also pub fn invoke args which is a type slice. So this is gonna be self func args of 0. Oh, this this looks interesting to say the least. Oh, it also takes backend. Create declaration backend. So if self one is none or used dot fetch or I can do compare and swap, but like I need to set compare and exchange. So but I need to set it. Try update. Swap. I mean, I can just swap through into here. Swap through and to return the old or the ring. Honestly, I'm still very bad at ordering, but I'll do sequentially consistent. But I need to qualify this. So if it's none or this thing was false, then I call the function backend. Cannot move out. Okay, now let's invoke that scary macro thing. I'm just gonna move this up here. I'm gonna follow my ordering. I'm gonna move this thing here. Grab. And then I'm gonna impl create the oh my god, that's coming. Create declaration backend. I need a iterator. Into iterator. The iterator for item. So item and into iterator. Can I like say infer it, please? So I'll do self functions, match and chain and map and stuff. Or I mean, I guess I could just. Do I do refs or do I do not refs? I don't know. I don't know. I guess I do refs. I guess I do refs. I guess I could do refs. So we'll do symbol ref. Reference to a declaration. FTP ref here. Ref here. And well. Ref to Mac. Oh, I guess. Okay, so oh, none of those could input. I guess fine. Like that. So items are gonna be symbol ref iterator 4. So iterator. Well, iterator. I can't really do iterator. But I can do an iter, which is gonna be returning impl iterator. But the type here will be so self functions map with iter string. Oh, that's even worse, because it doesn't give you regular iterator. I mean... Okay, so this can move. This is a major restructuring. I sure hope it's still there. No, it's not. Well, now it's still there. Okay, so here... self-name args. Args is a tuple of, well, a set of types currently. Type or ordered set of types. Self macros get sync name unwrap or else. Wait. Sorry for keyboard noises. Keyboard ASMR. So this thing. Wait, what? What are you? It's an occupied entry. An occupied entry should just have get. Doesn't it has? Why isn't it? Why can't I get it? Huh? It's a box of unknown. Oh, cause. Do I import those? I guess I can replace those two specifically. Oh wait, right, I have symbols are private, so I have to. No, it's self functions, insert this. And then we have self types, insert this. We have macro get. I need to find disambiguation. I'll need to do disambiguation somehow. Okay, so 0. Oh yeah, I can get 0. Actually, can't I just... Does it deref? Yes, it does deref. Invoke self args. Oh wait. call once will not work like that. Oh, I'm dumb. I need to be interning it. So it's just a boolean. Ooh. And if I convert this to name struct, generate the ref to bool. Oh. Public func and public call once. Yeah, I do kind of have to. Do I just derive debug and then implement that?
Yeah, boy.
Hi, Jax. Call once, and then... Well, there's no need for new now. No need for invoke either. So macro, if macro call once, then I can do args.intern. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna do std_iter once name chain args it into iter map type hashable name to string, so name to string change this collect to back join comma wait let I'm just gonna do hash that name equals or hash ID. I'm gonna call it hash. Literally hash self interned insert sync hash snare along with the supplied key if the key exists if is error return ignore otherwise invoke the macro func. It's not gonna let me do that. So I need to do that. And hash is just a string. And in turn there's a set of I strings. Do I just do that? Oh no, this is horrible. I mean, I could do just a tuple of symbol and type vector. This is painful. Think name args.toVec. Okay, so that's much simpler, but like still, holy, this is something. Self macros insert thing key value name macro callback call once. That function tuple or struct variant found struct, huh? Is that how you construct it? Oh, because it's now it's fun. Like that. kept it as called in box. So the fan phone, the fan mute self. This unlock. Does it return an error when? Yeah, it returns an. It probably returns an error when contains already. So I should probably like unwrap or else panic function name already exists, and then I copy that, put it here, macro, and type, same thing for type. And put an underscore here. That's the result. I mean, I could have name and underscore. So yeah. With that said, oh, I have a lot to work on. Oh, so C backend. Oh, how's it gonna work? Oh my god. So basically, this is an IR, but like not. no, but no. For CodeGen, we have other strategy. For declarations, this, because we need to store them. Do we really need to store them? Do we really need to store all the symbols in existence? Do we really need to store symbols in all symbols in existence? I mean, I guess. So yeah. By the way, we hit it again. Hey, that was stream duration of pi. 2 days in a row. Holy. I wanna average it 4 hours. So I need to stream for like a while. But yeah, I don't know about today. I kinda wanna go outside. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. So I don't have time. Won't have time. So, what do we do with this? So cgen now. Now, so we have our custom backend, which is supposed to, you know, now intercepting would be difficult. So cgen will need to. So those are fine. Those are fine. Cgen will need to intern structs. I don't know to what point, or do I actually? You don't have to like necessarily intern structs. Yeah, that was me testing something. Don't worry about it. struct
Okay, let's go.
test int 0 in 1, for example. Int, so it's gonna be sum of those. Well, yeah. Oh, so many tests. Turn test 0, test 1, and it should be plus. Was reduce her back in style? Really?
Yeah, boy.
So this is gonna be giving a warning that anonymous structs will not be visible, but like who cares? Can I just func2 test2? Can I just do func of test2? Can I cast it somehow? Like, can I see cast to any time? Like I could reference void pointer dereference, but I don't have type name, that's the problem. And C doesn't have type inference, that's a bigger problem. So I could provide 0 and 1 separately, like that. So let's do dot. Let's do dot. Wait. Do we do dot here? Okay, no, it's not possible. C23. Like this lack of anonymous structs and C is just always messing with me. So I guess we do need to intern them. So then C backend. Oh, and right, let's do an intermission. Framework. What is pro versus regular? I completely forgot. Completely forgot about framework laptops. Because you were asking me about it. Well, not really, but so what's the difference between this and Pro? Windows pre-installed. Ew, not using that. Ultra series, and if this boots up, just loads up. Ultra series 3. Well, let's do both of them. AMD Ryzen AI series. Well, I kinda like Ryzen better, but starting at $1,000 is wholly expensive. Oh, so this is much cheaper. 7040. What's 7040? This NVIDIA something. Okay, let's try building cheaper configuration system. Oh. So we have U, which has 2.8K display. This is Ryzen. What's the difference? Display has rounded active area. Ooh. Well, this is high resolution though. Memory. Oh, this is the worst part. 2x8. I will not be able to afford anything more than that in the near future. In fact, like I will not be able to afford anything even close to that. So I want either 500 terabyte or 500 gigabyte or 1 terabyte hard drive. Actually, 500 gigs is fine. Although I am suffering a little bit, but if I reorganize my partitions, I guess it should be fine. $65 is a lot. No. Oh my god, operating systems are expensive! Color. I thought colors would be free. Red. Keyboard. US English. International English. Sure. Blank ANSI. How much bring for bring you? This is not not so much. Prices are bad. Power adapter, 60 watts. Actually, I can get a 60 watt. Also, US is not for me. I can get a 60 watt power adapter for approximately $6. New. That's like the country I live in. Holy. Why is it so? Why? Like, actually, I was browsing them because I need one. I need one to power a Dremel. I'm building a Dremel. Well, kind of. And they were so cheap. Okay, accessories. Give me. Oh, it poops up there. Oh, it doesn't anymore, huh? Oh, why don't you work? Okay, here. One Type-C, one USB-A, or two USB-As. I mean, those are different. Choose color. Don't care, honestly. Colorful. HDMI. I need HDMI. I need a second monitor. Ethernet? No. Too expensive for Ethernet. DP, SD card. Don't have to. I borrow check, by the way. First time chat? No way you're first time chat here. But yeah, hey. SD card. Nah. What is a storage expansion card? No. Too expensive. Warranty. 3 years. You have to pay for warranty. I don't care about warranty on this. Oh yeah, right. This has been for a while. -2 out of 2 subs. Oh. I'm so broke. I mean, actually no. So yeah, this is like one of the minimal prices of the program. So yeah, I don't know. 1.3K dollars. You realize it's like it's 4K. It's not anything streaming, it's cloud streaming. So this is 4,000 bus tickets. I can ride a bus. I mean, I'm riding a bus for free because I'm a school student. But like, if I wasn't, I could ride the bus for. Yeah, I know I have -2 subs. Like, I know. That's a fact. People hated me so much they unsubbed before subbing, without subbing. This glitch has been there for like half a year or something. No, more than that. Like ever since. So I gifted subs to Nigel and Penguin Operator for participating in scripting language tournament, and then they expired, and that's where I end up. Like somehow I end up negative. Like, bro. It's like it's not everywhere there, but like it's still. So yeah, I could ride the bus 4,000 times for this much money. I know that that's a flex, but like still. And holy RAM was expensive. Let's now build a pro version. Like actually, if I had unlimited money, what would I get? Unlimited but reasonable. I would have went for Pro, I guess, because it's called Pro. Although I honestly I don't know. Ryzen, obviously. Well, not obviously, but still. Yeah, 789. Well, 9 is a bigger number, right? To $50 each. So I would have went for 32 or 64 gigs even. 64 gigs is $800. Whoa. Like I would be editing there, right? Okay, maybe I'm maybe not that greedy. I want 2 sticks for some reason. It says D. Honestly, I don't care, and also I just choose on disk. I'm gonna go for 1 terabyte. There's still no. I'm not buying Windows. Black. I don't care. Like holy $10 for painting. I know that's a great laptop, but it's not. Actually, I mean, $1,000 for a laptop, for a great laptop, is not bad, especially with this price, with those RAM prices. Anyway, keyboard, International English Graphite, sure. Hijacks over on the YouTube side now. Power adapter, 100 watts. Okay, sure, let it be included. Expansion cards. I would do 3 USB-Cs or 2 USB-Cs. I don't know. Let's go. Okay, let's go for 2 and 1 USB-A. I don't know. I am not using USB-C. That's futuristic. What's this sample? This is a framework laptop, but I don't have that much money, so I'm just imagining. Okay, so I will still get HDMI. Well, I would. I would not get Ethernet, because no. SD card, micro SD 1, sure. SD card, pointless. I have adapters. I wouldn't. Add-ons, sleeve. What is a sleeve? No, I don't know. And no warranty. 2,000. Well, Just have not been made for what? Oh, I have to choose colors. Both graphite, sure. Like, oh, more. Most popular C USB-A, HDMI. That's actually what I would have chosen. But like. Extra micro SD card slot, because I just want one. I know I cannot fit everything here, but like, oh, you need to choose color, sure. Okay, so this would be 2.4. Holy. Yeah, no, I'm not buying both of those, obviously, but like, neither of those, obviously, but like, still, that's so much. Actually. This is less than double of this, so actually, but still, I'm never buying this. No, not any soon. Anyway, get back to work. Wait, I pressed WinF. Shouldn't have pressed WinF. Right. Okay, so we have our CGen. So CGen, C-Codegen backend, will have to intern function parameter types. Easy enough. Sort merge all declarations into references. Actually, like, interning function parameter types isn't enough. You need to intern all types. And yeah, all instances of this type. So that's a mass modify. So that's gonna be tough. Maybe I keep it as a default implementation, or Maybe I keep the trade, but like still use this thing. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. Cause like this is a general thing. General thing. Okay, I guess I could keep it as a trade. Where is my trade? Let's go here. So let's take this straight out of here. Oh, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Mod impl. Actually, like mod impl. Hash impl. Bro. Impl underscore. Oh, because renamed it to annoying. Impl underscore. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this in here. Take this out of here. Put this in here. So this is the common implementation. It just stores types. It just stores functions. So this macro. Oh, this is gonna be tough because this doesn't know which backend. Like obviously generic over backend, over the declaration backend. But like I don't want to I don't want to add self there or like extra stuff. Back to box of dynamic A. No, just kidding. I guess I have to make it generic. Or this. Okay, let's use superstar. Which is declaration backend. I wish I could do placeholder type params. It'd be so useful. Okay, so pub part. So this is the way to do inheritance in Rust. You do it via composition and what is it called? Oops. No. So you do it via composition and what is it called? Delegation. Right. Oops. It took me so long. But yeah, I'm realizing this won't work as self, because this requires self, and if the trait is implemented for storage that is not using self, well. I mean, I guess I could just not implement it. Well, I don't know how to do this properly. Also, this is. So I have storage. A regular backend will have this as a field. Right. Like, what's the point? Oh. Why do you have to suffer with design choices? We'll figure it next time. It's just every time I hit this, I just end the stream, and next time it magically goes away. But this is suffering. Yeah, let's trade somebody. Tony's life, actually. Maybe. Let's check for compiler. Thanks to. I see no compiler streamers. So yeah. Oh, Nigel went. Nigel went away. Nigel left. Just rate somebody. Let's throw YouTube chat over here. Analogous live computer program. I don't think that's it though. are you?
I assume I can get this for Linux.
Docker.
Right. It's probably, this is probably going to take me to the
Docker. GitHub desktop. Yeah. Let's just trade a random person. Actually, let's read Swift's function since he's not got any viewers. He has chatter. But still. So yeah. I doubt none of you heard of my Discord yet, but like yeah, if you're still not there, maybe consider and have to. So yeah, thank you all for joining. I will see you guys next time while I figure this out. Hopefully, it's just small design details. So yeah, see you.